Hi everybody. Check out the cute little tuft titmouse and a little junco or snowbird enjoying some seed. I haven't had as many nice shots of the mourning doves this year. We've seen them occasionally, but I've had plenty of chickadees and woodpeckers. Some blue jays and some flickers have come by. But here, underneath all this drifting snow, is my front stairs. So you can tell I've been busy with doing sidewalks and stairs with our snow. It's been very cold weather. Lost my little goat, actually, due to that storm and cold weather. Here, though, is a sharp-shinned hawk who was doing a little hunting at my bird feeders. And to keep myself busy while I'm stuck inside so much of the time, I started a new gardening project in my fish tanks. So this was me adding the plants to my tank and got some new fish. I had really good luck with the fish from rivers and reefs here in Omaha after a disastrous couple tries at PetSmart. But look at these lovely bluebirds. Aren't they wonderful? I guess getting the water outside in the winter seems to be the key for me to get to see them up close, where I would usually just catch a glimpse of one occasionally in the snow, because they do stand out against the snowy backgrounds. But having some heated water that doesn't freeze up really drew them in. Bye for now, folks.